In this lesson, we will discuss how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. So before going to start, one more time I will explain to you about polynomial and monomial. Polynomial means many, right? So in polynomial, you can see that there should be the same variable. See, this is x, this is x. Variable should be same, but their power or exponent should be different. So this is x cube and this is x square divided by x. So x is the monomial. Monomial means that monomial may be only variable. Suppose if you have x, y, z, these are monomials. If you have any number, suppose 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever, yes, these are also monomial. If we multiply the number and the variable, suppose 4x, right, 6y square, if I say 6y square, or if I say 8a cube, these are monomials. So monomials may be a variable, a number, or a product of variable and number. And the second condition of monomial is that if I say 4x plus 2, this is monomial, this is not the monomial. Monomial don't have positive or negative. If I will say 6y square minus 4, this is monomial, this is not monomial. Monomial only have a variables or the number or product of variable and number. On the other hand, polynomial, they should have a same variable, but their power should be different. So here we are learning how to divide the polynomial. This is binomial because we have two terms, 4x cube minus 2x square, right? So you have to divide this divided by x. It means you have to divide it by 4x cube divided by x and then 2x square divided by x. So see, both have the same basis. This is x, this is x, this is x, this is x. If we divide, if we multiply, if the bases are same, then you have to add the powers or subtract the powers. See, 4 in the numerator we have x cube, and this denominator, this x has only one power or exponent. We can take this to the numerator, the sign will change, and now it is 3 minus 1. 4x 3 minus 1, and then minus, this is x, this is, so in the numerator we have x square, in the new denominator we have only 1x. So this x we can take, this exponent we can take to the numerator, the sign will change, it is minus 1. So then we have 4x square minus 2x, because 2 minus 1x, and this is the answer. So this is, we divide the binomial by the monomial. So here, see, this is trinomial. So 3a4, same base, but the powers are different. This is polynomial and this is the monomial. Here we will not take the exponent of the denominator to the numerator. We will direct divide it. So this a square means you have to divide it by a square. 6a cube divided by a square, and then positive 4a square divided by a square. See, this divided by a square, it means this a square you have to divide it by 3a4, this individually, and here I am not going to take this exponent to the numerator. I will show you the direct method. In the numerator you have a4, means 4 times a. In the denominator you have 2, so a square will cut off a square. In the numerator you have only a square left, because here were 2 a's and here are 4 a's, so 2 a's will cross out. Then is 6, so here are 3 a's, here are 2 a's, so we can cross 2 a's, so only 1 a is remaining in the numerator, plus this a square, this a square, both have a square plus 4, and this is the answer. One more question I will solve for you. It is 7y cube minus 2y square plus 6, right? And divided by y square. It means this y square is dividing the first term, the second term, and the third term as well. 6y square, right? Okay, so here I will show you by splitting. This y cube means y, this dot means multiplication. You have 3 y's in the numerator, 2y in the denominator. Minus 2y in the numerator, and similarly we have 2y in the denominator plus 6y square. So see here, 2y will cross out 2y, only 7y is here. I can write down here 7y, and these 2y will cross out, only minus 2. And the third one, there is no more simplification, so we will say 6 over y square. And this is the answer. There are a couple of different methods. I will show you one more method in the next lesson. But this is the division of polynomial by monomial. If still you have any question, you can write down in comment section. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.